Meaning of flat out.
Flat out.
Flat out.
Flat out.
Flat out. The phrase flat out is typically used to describe someone or something that is working or moving at maximum capacity or intensity. It can also imply that one is giving their all or putting forth their best effort. This expression often connotes a sense of urgency or pressure. For example, you might say, "I am working flat out to meet this deadline," or "the team is running flat out to win the championship." In essence, flat out suggests a level of full-on commitment and exertion towards achieving a particular goal or objective.